Now sit yourself down and lend us your ear.
Justin Levine, Bonfire Night.
Of a day when we stop to remember the blight.
Ocean's 11 meets Usual Suspects meets caper, jazzy, fun, mysterious.
But see for yourself, for it won't take too long.
I'm excited to hear it out loud for the first time in a long time with some incredible actors and to share it with the theater community to see what kind of reaction we get.
Rebellion is never the work of a few.
I got the idea for the show from a dramaturgy class at NYU, which was a pretty boring class, but I would say, considering the material I got, it was worth it. I would say that there's a song in which Catesby, the main character, sings and reveals sort of his inner thoughts about sort of what's driving him regarding his dead wife and son, who's the main cause of the grief that sets off the drama. I would say Frank Lesser, absolutely, particularly his work on Guys and Dolls and How to Succeed, Cab Calloway and his orchestra, and the Rat Pack.
Fox and his men made flaming examples of Fox and
the show needs a production.
it shall be James the Sixth.
Because it is it's sort of harkening back to an old form of musical theater, but with a completely new twist on it in terms of the subject matter. It's the first, it's a jazzy, fun version of the first suicide bombing attempt ever. So, why would you want to see it?
How gunpowder treason was ended, and then each captive was tortured and cooked like a hen. The truth is a sword always beats out the pen. To overthrow rulers, there's always a yet. To wake up the lions while still in the den, and yet we repeat ourselves over.